Found a CNT file alongside a HLP help file? This is the table of contents that structures a Windows Help document. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Windows Help contents files do and how to access the help documentation they organize. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange CNT formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. CNT files are contents, definition files, for Windows Help HLP files. They define the hierarchical table of contents, tree displayed in the Windows Help Viewer's Contents tab. The file maps topic titles to help file pages, organizing the help documentation into a navigable chapter and section structure for user-friendly browsing. Windows Help CNT files use a plain text format with indentation-based hierarchy, defining content tree nodes. Each line contains a nesting level number, a display title, and a help topic identifier linking to specific pages in the associated HLP help file. The format supports multiple heading levels and cross-file topic references. The native handler for CNT files is usually Microsoft Windows Help from Microsoft Corporation. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows cannot reveal linked metadata entries, so specialized software must open the file. We're going to check the compatibility list systematically. Right-click your CNT file, then click Open with. Test Microsoft Windows Help if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Persistence is crucial here. If your CNT file still refuses to open, stay calm. If you're still with me, that CNT file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, viewing the content structure. Open the CNT file in any text editor to view the table of contents hierarchy. Each indented entry shows the topic title and its reference in the help system. The numeric prefix indicates nesting depth with higher numbers representing deeper subtopics within the documentation structure. Next, opening associated help. Double-click the associated HLP file to open the Windows Help Viewer, which automatically loads the CNT file to populate the Contents tab. On modern Windows versions, you may need to install WinHelp 32.exe from Microsoft to enable the legacy Windows Help Viewer for opening HLP and CNT file pairs. Finally, converting to modern help. Extract the CNT structure and HLP content for conversion to modern help formats. Use the Help Workshop Decompiler or Help Deco utility to extract help topics from the HLP file. Recreate the table of contents structure in HTML Help Workshop to produce a CHM file, or build HTML documentation using the CNT hierarchy as the navigation framework. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.